In this video lesson, you'll discover how to use the gradated wash method when painting a watercolor.
I will use a middle-sized synthetic hairbrush to make the wash, and I am using a blue paint which is already pre-mixed in the saucer. On the watercolor paper, I mark 2 vertical lines with a graphite pencil. I will make the wash between these borders. You may notice that the amount of the paint mix is not as big as I would have used for the plain wash. In fact, I will probably run out of this paint somewhere in the middle of this paper sheet. This is exactly how much pigment I need for the gradated wash. The first line of blue paint is applied along the top edge of the paper sheet. I load the first stripe with enough paint so that the bead of liquid collects at the bottom edge. The next brush stroke goes along the bead, overlapping it slightly, so that the paint flows down from the first brush stroke to the next one.